I'm Michelle McCullough with Competition Plus TV, and here I have Michael Jonas, president of SSBC Performance Racing Products. Tell us a little bit about what products you're coming out with in 2016.
Well, we've got a whole new series of competition calipers that we're introducing on there. These are going to be 4-piston calipers. They're going to have dust seals. They're forged. They're 100% made in the USA, and they're actually forged in the Midwest. We machine them in-house. They all have stainless pistons on them. They have full-size bleeder screws. They're completely set up, ready to go, and we have them for all sorts of applications for popular muscle cars, and we also have them for a lot of different drag cars. And a lot of guys, of course, are using the Mustang 2 front end, so we've got those set up. But in this day and age, everybody really wants something a little different. So we've also got it in colors, but we've also gone through and we've matched up the rear kits for it as well. And we've got a whole series of rear kits. And with your viewership, you've got some guys that just see on the street and say, well, I don't need a parking brake. Well, out east, you don't get the car doesn't go on the road without a parking brake. So what we've done is done a comp caliper with an internal parking brake. So we've got some really unique options on there. So this way, if you're doing your car, you're building your car, you can actually set it up with a full set of comp calipers, drop a ton of weight, and really get some extra additional speed going through the traps, but at the same time know you're going to be safe at the end.
Perfect. Do you have any on display that you can show our viewers?
Most certainly do. Here, right behind us is this is our caliper right here, and this particular caliper here is a forged aluminum helba, and it's got a cross-drilled rotor on. This is what we call our Big Bite series. And then we've done is grade 8 hardened fasteners, hardened washers, and on the back side, which you can't see, is a flange nut, which is also what they call a top lock flange nut. So we really don't skimp on the hardware. This one is set up to go, per se, on a Mustang 2, but if you notice, it's also on a skinny wheel as well. So this is also designed with real tight wheel clearances on there. This particular caliper is showing, you can see we have dual bleeder screws. It's a universal, there's no top or bottom to it, so any way you do, you always want to bleed, of course, out of the top, but this way it'll go either left or right. And then in front of it here, this is our drag caliper. And this one here is kind of a higher end level. No parking brake on this one, but the nice thing is it's called a dynamic load. And it's allowed the rotor to float in and out. A lot of times when you step on the gas real hard, the rear axles want to shoot out, and allows the rotors allow it to flex a little bit so you don't have any problems with loading on there, and you get good, even, consistent braking. Well, we've been trying to get our story out, and one of the things that's important in there, we make some great products. We've been doing it for over 40 years, but a lot of your viewers don't know who we are because we've come from the street market where we've done a lot of restoration products and a lot of aluminum upgrades, and of course with the trucks now. But we realize that there's also a market for the competition series. So one of the things we've developed here is we've taken our comp series, or our comp caliper, from the street and brought it to the track. And the nice thing is we know the durability on it, we have warranties with it, we have product liability with it, we stand behind our product, and it's 100% USA made. And that's something we can say that nobody else does. So we've really stepped it up a level on there. We're bringing a higher level product to your customers on there, but at a price that they're going to like.
Perfect. Well, Michael, thank you so much for joining our team, the Competition family. Thank you for taking the time to talk to our fans. I'm Michelle McCullough with Competition Plus TV, signing off.